Hello, today let's dye some Easter eggs. The dye of Easter eggs is so beautiful, and today it's so easy because you can dye and boil, your Easter eggs or your standard chicken eggs, two Easter eggs, in one term. Start easily. We have to set up a little bit. Here you can see this is made with express dyes by Heidmann. It's made in Germany. Boil and dye your eggs in one go. This complete package with 5 bright colors shades contains everything we need to dye 15 eggs in just 20 minutes. Liquid eggs dyes in yellow, orange, orange, pink, and green for white and brown eggs. Pure food colorings. Boil and dye the eggs at the same time. It's food dyes, ready-made dyes, hot dye for brown and white eggs, bright colors, and does not contain AZO dyes. Awesome. Put the 3 eggs into each dye bag with the dye and water. Then place it saucepan of water. Yeah, we have 1 package of express egg dyes, a newspaper to protect the surfaces, a large saucepan diameters approximately 24 centimeters. We need a little kitchen paper, measuring jug, a tablespoon, a scissors, and 15 white or brown eggs. Add 1 liter of warm water to the saucepan. Separate the dyes using scissors. Now, prepare the individual dye bath. Separate the dyes bags from one another. Place 1 bag in the measuring jug and add 300 milliliters of warm water to the bag. Cut off the tip of the dye capsule and add the dye to the bag. Use a spoon to place 3 uncooked eggs in the dye bath and seal the bag closed with one of the clips supplied. The eggs must be submerged in the dye bath. Put the bag in the saucepan. The bag opening must stand out of the water, of course. Otherwise, you have colorful water. Now fill the other 4 dye bags in the same way and put them in the saucepan. Bring the water to a boil on the hob and leave the dye to take effect in the boiling water for 8 up to 12 minutes. After this, take the bags out of the saucepan one after another and put them in the sink. Use scissors to cut the bags open below the clip. Rinse with cold water until the water runs clear and dry the eggs with kitchen paper. After this, you can rub a little unfluored cooking oil onto the colored eggs to make the color even brighter. And then it is done. Coloring Easter eggs. Boiling and coloring in one step. Awesome. That is really beautiful. In the Orthodox and Eastern Catholic churches, Easter eggs are dyed red to represent the blood of Christ, with versus symbolism being found in the bud. In the hard shell of the egg symbolized the sealed dome of Christ, the cracking of which symbolized his resurrection from the dead. The tradition of the red Easter eggs was used by the Russian Orthodox Church. The tradition to dye the Easter eggs and an onion tone exists in the culture of Armenia, Georgia, Belarus, Russia, Czech, Romania, and Israel. The color is made by boiling onion peel in the water. And in the modern way, as you can see, there are more spectacular colors available. We can dye easily our Easter eggs. It's really easy, as you can see. It is really fast. It costs you only 20 minutes. After this, job's done. And the colors, the dyes, and the colors are so nice. This is express dyes. So, happy Easter out there. Thanks for watching. please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon, soon.